Hey y'all, we're going to do some testing on drilling a straight hole. We're going to use a drill press. We're going to use this little gadget right here. We'll use just a regular battery drill. And I recently got this little gadget. This one's actually Ted's. This is supposed to clip onto your drill. It's got a little level on it to keep your drill level. Unfortunately, it would not fit on my drill. My drill's a little larger than normal, though. It's also a hammer drill. So what I did, I leveled everything up and took the level out of that little bracket and glued it to the back of the drill. And I've checked it. It's all level. It does work. But we'll drill these holes and see how straight we can make them. We're going to start with the drill press. So we'll just move this over a little bit. All right. That's a drill press. You know that should be straight. I've got these little dowel rods here and hung up here. So, and I've checked my drill press here. It's level. You can see that. And I checked this too before I put it in there and got it level. So let's check this rod. Now, these rods are not perfectly straight, so there may be a little variation on them, but that's pretty straight if you can see that. Pretty straight, right? Okay. That's our drill press. Now let's use this little block. Well, I'm going to have to take the bit out here. I want to make sure we use the same size bit. Everything's the same. All right. Put this in our battery drill. And we'll set this little gadget up here. Which hole is it? It's this one right here. This just sits. Well, I've got to get this where I can get my drill straight up and down on it. Still keep you guys in the camera. This has different size holes for different bits. Just put your drill in there. And I won't be able to go as deep on that one, but should give us an idea whether it's straight or not. It's pretty straight all the way around. So that little gadget kind of works pretty good. Let's just, I'll tell you what, let me grab some tape. And I'll cover up this level on the back of this drill so I'm not tempted to look at it while I'm drilling. Let's just freehand. I'll try to get this as straight as I can and just freehand this. See what we come up with there. Now I can already tell that's crooked. Well, it's not really, yeah, you won't be able to see it. It's off over here. Maybe if I flip it. Can you see that? It's off just a little bit. But it is crooked. Let's see here. See if we can compare these. I think you can probably see that. You see how crooked that is. That was our freehand drill, and I tried to keep it straight. All right. Now let's use the level on the back of this drill. This little deal right here. I'll probably have to go pretty slow to keep that bubble where I want it. All right, let's check that now. Like I said, these rods are not perfectly straight either. That's pretty good all the way around. Right on it. Well, what do you think? Let's put these rods in here. This was the drill press. This was the level on the drill. That was that little deal here. I forget what they even call it. This was our freehand. I think these three are pretty good, really. This one's way off, freehanding it. So I guess either one of these little gadgets works pretty good. I should have looked up, and I can't see that. Looks like it says Hipulx, Hipulx. And it's the box that came in. It says Perfect Holes, Hipulx. Got this off of Amazon. I don't remember what it cost. It wasn't very expensive. This little deal right here, like I said, I'm sending this one to Ted. I either got this off of Temu or AliExpress. I don't remember. But it was cheap, like $3. So as long as it will fit on your drill, it should work pretty good. I mean, like I said, it wouldn't fit on my drill, but I actually need a smaller battery drill than what I've got here, but that's what I've got, so that's what I use. All right, y'all, I think that'll be it. Hopefully this will help someone out, that doesn't have a drill press and wants to drill a straight hole. They all three of those little deals work pretty good. Well, two of them. The Hipulx and the little clip-on level. Y'all take care, see you down the road, and deal with it.